हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं आपको इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगी अपने चैनल और अपने बारे में। सो लेट्स फिगर आउट all about prepare for UPSC and PCS, okay, and a little about me. So first of all, I believe in the ideology of let's learn and crack together. What does it mean? We are here to learn together and implement it and crack together. Okay, so basically, our ideology focuses on making you learn with us and making you crack with us. Okay, other than that, I'm happy to help you in every possible way through this channel, be it making the content of NCRT, standard books, and any other thing that is relevant to, clear PCS or UPSC exam. We will be covering everything here comprehensively. Okay, whatever it is, the NCRTs or the basic books or standard books, any coaching material. Okay, we will be covering everything here and in a very comprehensive manner. I have experienced so many failures in my UPSC journey, which I don't want others to repeat. I have given 4 attempts of UPSC and I've given 2 to 3 attempts of many different state PCS. And after failing in all of them, okay, I have no regrets or shame in, admitting the fact that I have failed it. Okay, some in the prelim stage or some in the main stage. But the point here is that I know why I have failed. Okay, so from my experiences, I don't want others to repeat it. I am here to help you in overcoming those obstacles which I have myself faced and which I believe you are also facing. Okay, so I will be more than happy here to guide you and save your time and effort because I would be putting more efforts and time here for you to prepare from this channel. And here's a personal secret which I wish somebody could have done for me so that I would have saved my attempts and I would have cleared this exam in a, more less time than I'm taking right now. So let's keep learning and taking one step closer towards our aim every day. All the best. Keep studying and keep smiling. This is all I wanted to convey to all of you from this introductory message. And I wish you all learn at a very faster speed and you learn to implement things on a, everyday basis. You learn to apply everything you learn and you try to get whatever you want, be it PCS, be it UPSC, or any other state exam or anything else. Just remember one thing I would like to, emphasize here on this thing. Treat it as a exam only. Just a exam. Don't compare it to your life. Don't make it your life. Don't, rely yourself too much on this exam that you forget who you are, what you have been, and what you want to become. ठीक है? It is just exam. उसको एग्जाम की तरह ट्रीट करो, सिलेबस कंप्लीट करो, मॉक्स लगाओ, टेस्ट पेपर्स लिखो, जस्ट try to accomplish the targets. Don't chase it so much that you forget that who you are. I've been through all this. I'm telling you with my experience that in this exam process, your mental health literally deteriorates. It sucks up your mental health. And which I don't think, and I think others won't also think the same. सबका यही परसेप्शन होगा that mental health is important. If you want to clear this exam now, even more than your physical health, you need to maintain a good mental health to clear this exam. Your vision, your perception has to be very much bright. एंड वो तभी होगा जब आप बहुत मेंटली वेल होगे, आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ स्ट्रांग होगी. टू क्लियर दिस एग्जाम ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है टू बी योर सेल्फ. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट, if you're forgetting yourself and you're indulging in the exam so much that you have forgotten who you were and what you want to become, आप अपना मोटिव ही भूल जाओ तो इस एग्जाम का कोई मतलब नहीं होता. ठीक है, टू कंप्लीट दिस प्रोसेस जस्ट बिलीव इन योर जर्नी, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. थोड़ा सा ट्रस्ट रखो खुद पे, थोड़ा सा ट्रस्ट करो प्रोसेस को एंड जस्ट इम्प्लीमेंट इट विदाउट थिंकिंग फॉर वंस कि आपसे नहीं होगा या नहीं हो रहा है. वो बाद की बात है, होगा या नहीं होगा. जस्ट फोकस ऑन द प्रोसेस. जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर डेली टारगेट्स. मंथली टारगेट बनाओ, वीकली टारगेट बनाओ, डेली टारगेट बनाओ. जितना आप उस यूनिट्स को ब्रेक करोगे, उस यूनिट को अचीव करोगे ना, the process would be more simplified for you. And सिर्फ इस तरीके से ही एग्जाम क्लियर होगा। अगर आप बर्डन ले लोगे, मेंटल हेल्थ खराब कर लोगे या पढ़ने से ज्यादा इस चीज पे फोकस करोगे कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा, तो आई थिंक एग्जाम निकालना टफ है। ठीक है, लिटरली टफ है। आई एम टेलिंग यू विद माई ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस। सो जस्ट फोकस। ये लाइन इसीलिए लिखी है मैंने यहाँ पे, दैट कीप स्टडिंग एंड कीप स्माइलिंग। डेली इसी चीज को याद रखो पढ़ते हुए। आई थिंक 90% ऑफ मेंटल बर्डन ना सिर्फ इस चीज से कम हो जाएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज इट फॉर द वीडियो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू।